The cost was around $287,000 for construction, plus around $11,000 for permits. And this is gonna be rented between $3,000, $3,500 a month. So very nice investment. Hi, how are you, my friends? Elias here with DG Construction, your best option. And today we are pleased to show you in this video the finished product of our ADU right here on La Mesa. Follow me so I can show you exactly how we build it and the finished product. Starting right here, if you remember, right here in California, everything that is detached, everything that you build that is detached needs to have solar panels. This is gonna be our sub panel. We always need to have an outlet on the exterior, at least one outlet. In this case, we have two. The stucco finish is in a white stucco sand finish. Everything is gonna be very monochromatic with white and black tones, except for the door. The door was something that it wasn't very well taken at the beginning. My homeowner, she wanted to have it either on white or black. He wanted to have it on red, and we decided to go on the red. I suggest to go on red, and at the end they love it. It's our focal point. It's inviting. It's telling you to come and see how beautiful it is in the inside. So come and see the inside right here. We have an open space that is gonna be used for the kitchen, dining, and living. A little bit about the kitchen. The kitchen, we decided to go with white checker. Again, very plain, very simple. Most of the details were suggested by us, but at the end, the last word is out from our homeowner. So if you like anything right here, kudos to my homeowner, because they have very good taste. Appliances, they pick it up. This range can be a little bit more expensive just because the detail that you have the controls right here. You don't have it right here on the back, but you can showcase the backsplash. She wanted to do that. Details like this, again, everything white and black. All of the cabinets, this is pretty standard right now. It's nothing that just we as a company do, but everything, all the doors, all the drawers are gonna be soft close, right? All the drawers are gonna be dovetail finish. Is going to be real wood right here. The finish on the front is super good. All the boxes are gonna be plywood 5/8, so very sturdy. It's not like we're using particle board or anything like that on our units. Right here on this working space, we thought that instead of having a cabinet that is gonna be a little bit more on your face, we decided to go with shelves. The space looks a lot more open. You can showcase a couple of your most precious things right here. And it looks, I think it gives a little touch right here to the kitchen. We don't use any kind of prefab right here. We use a full slab so we can have a piece without any kind of seams right here. So this L-shaped piece is a one piece. And right here we have another piece, a full piece. No seams right here. So it doesn't look cheap like if you're using a couple of prefabs, right? This is something pretty cool for here. We have an accordion door on our linen closet. We use rails and the pulls and everything, very good quality. So this doesn't feel or clumsy or bad quality. Those things, once you're feeling them, you can see or you can say if they are good quality or they're cheap stuff. The bathroom. We have a special request on this bathroom. She was requesting for something that she might be able to use on the future. We built it thinking that they're getting older, they might come and live right here in the future. So we have something where you don't have to step into the shower, right? It's same level. We created as if it's a EDA compliance shower. Our door is 36. We prepared it for a future grab bar if needed, but we didn't install it. Right now it doesn't have the need for it. Details like this is following with the same pattern of the tile right here on the drainage. You can hardly see it, it's almost invisible right there. All the finishes on white and black, same thing. Our doors are gonna be clear glass with the black trim, following with all the theme of the shower. And nowadays, it's a very cool feature to have your laundry right here on the same apartment, right on the same condo. So right here you have a washer and dryer closet. You didn't know that it was here, right? Not making your laundry, you're gonna have your guests right here and nobody's gonna see it. So that's nice. And we have 2 bedrooms. We have a TV on every bedroom. That's something cool. Again, and they're very nice TVs. She's doing this so you guys can enjoy. Fans right there, very cool design right here on the fans as well. Very nice size bedrooms for the unit. And every bedroom has his closet, right? Very standard. Shelf and a rod. We didn't do much right here. We have can lights on all the bedrooms, same thing as in the living room, so it's gonna be very bright at night as well. We have a central unit as far as AC, so every bedroom, the living room and the bathroom is controlled by the temperature, all controlled by the central AC. So now that you see the finished product, please let me know what did you like, what you don't like, and what could you do different. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe so we can keep growing the community. And don't forget that we keep putting these kind of videos. We're building more ADUs and we're doing remodels. We're doing a lot of water restoration. And again, you never know when this can help you. Thank you very much.